So next we are going to start the plane table survey. So I will tell you for this plane table survey is a survey in which the field work and class work or office work is done simultaneously. So in other surveys, first we record the readings in the field, then we calculate in the office, then we plot it. Means there is a difference of field work and office work. What in plane table survey, the field work as well as the office work is done simultaneously. So first of all, I will introduce the different types of instruments used in plane table survey. So first is the tripod stand. It is of well seasoned wood and there is metallic shoe at the bottom for well gripping in the ground. So it is made up of well seasoned wood. Then we have the drawing board, similar drawing board you have. So there is a arrangement for fixing it. So there is a one bolt. This is the boss head. In the boss head you can tighten it, so we can fix the plane table with the tripod stand. Then for the measurement of the lines or distances we use this metallic tape or steel tape. This everybody knows for this. Then the most important is there. Then we will use this this is the trough compass. This is the trough compass. Here is lock. You unlock it, it's going to work. So you can see there are 5-degree divisions are there. So when it indicates the north, the reading should be at 0, 0. It is only to mark the north direction of the line. So here from this we can mark the north of the line. Okay, after you can now see this is my north direction, the reading is at 0. This is known as trough compass. Then we have the spit level for leveling the plane table. This spit level is placed over the drawing board in the lengthwise and breadthwise to make this level central. So our plane table will be leveled with the help of this spit level. Then we have the very important that plays very important role. This is known as adidate. This may be of wooden or metallic. You can see there are 2 types of vanes. Here is this vane is known as eye vane, where there is a very fine slit and 3 pin holes are there. One is at the top, second one is in the middle, and third one is at the bottom. Top one is used to see the object at depth and bottom one is used to see the object at higher level. And the other side there is a object vane. It is a rectangular slit in which very fine horse here is kept. This is used to bisect the object. You are looking through this eye vane and bisect the object with the horsehair. Then this is the line of sight. On the elidate there are 2 edges. One is with the scale. This edge is known as working edge or fiducial edge. The on side where it is scale is printed. So this is known as working edge or fiducial edge of the elidate. This may be plane or telescopic. So there is telescopic. On the eye side there is a telescope to observe the views or the objects. So that is known as telescope. It is of 2 types. Then we have the U fork or plumbing fork. It is also metalled and there is at one end there is a plumb. So I can unfold this. So its main function is for centering the station. So we can transfer the station from the ground on the drawing board or drawing sheet. So this plumbing fork, or you can say it is a Jew fork. So this is used for centering, to transfer the ground point on the plane table or drawing sheet. Okay, so exactly over this is the point that is in line with the plumb. So from the ground we can transfer the point on the drawing sheet. This is the main function of this Jew fork, or it is also known as plumbing fork. Then we have the peg. You have already seen this point. This is a wooden peg after cross at the top. This is the main point from that can be used as the station point, and this point can be transferred on the drawing sheet from the bottom. Okay, then we have the marking pins or arrows. It is made up of mild steel. So then last one is the ranging rod, which we have already used. It is again of 3 to 4 meter height. So well seasoned wood or aluminum with the different color bands for the clear vision from a distance, and there is iron shoe at the bottom to well grip in the ground. So these are the different types of instruments that can be used in plane tabling. So next we will discuss in the next videos what are the settings of plane table and methods of plane tabling. Thank you.